Look, there's a chilling cat over there. Let's go. Come on. Let's check out the chilling cat.
Are you already recording?
Yeah. What do you think I was doing?
Already?
Okay, guys.
That's my cat, if you did not know.
I'm not gonna hurt Harley. His name's Harley.
Yeah, and he's my beautiful angel.
No, and he's my best friend.
No, he isn't. He doesn't.
You can't see the screen. Let me pet him.
He doesn't even like her. He doesn't.
He loves me.
He hates you.
I'm his best buddy.
No.
Are we really gonna have this argument again?
I will shoot you with this.
I'm immortal. Ow!
I'll do it again.
No.
Get off my kitty.
Help, guys. I'm calling 911. Guys, call 911. Guys, gotta call 911, even though I'm immortal.
Haha.
Okay,
Get off kitty.
I'm not gonna hurt him.
Just don't touch him. Back away from the kitty.
Help me.
Let's go back in your yard, okay? Back away from the kitty.
You go first.
No.
I want to pet him for you, dude.
Well, I'll pet him for you, too.
I'll do it too.
No, I swear to God, if you do again, you're getting shot.
No, I'm sorry.
I swear to God, don't do it again.
I like him now.
Just record him. Get off him.
I'm sorry. Ouch. Jeez. Ouch. Wait, I really want to call 911, guys. Just call 911 if you ever see this again. Hello, 911. Ow! It hurts. It hurts, guys.
Let's just go back in your yard.
Okay.
You go. I'll get you in your tum-tum.
I'm gonna.
No, you're gonna break it. Don't.
Exactly. Now put the weapon down.
This would cost a lot of money.
Put the weapon down. Put the weapon down.
Boom.
Ow.
Just back away from the cat. Just go into your yard. Let's go in your yard, okay? Nice cat. Cash is gonna get out. I swear to God.
No.
Stop. Stop.
Run.
Get back into your yard. In your yard.
Why?
Cause.
Cash is go. I didn't know the gate was. Come on, Cash. Come on. You shoot him if you gotta.
What?
You shoot him if you gotta. You finally fell. Now you stay. He's free. Freedom, puppy.
Put him back inside and get inside too. This is an armed robbery.
Not robbery.